Today headlines Current Affair 22 to February. First question is every year World Scout Day observed on. The answer is 22 February. Next question is the theme of the World Scout Day 2023 is. The answer is our equal future, the government and gender equality. Next question is who is the founder of the Boy Scout? The answer is Lord Robert Baden-Powell. Next question is who was the first chief scout of the Pakistan? The answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Next questions. Which country has hosted the Munich Security Conference 2023? The answer is Germany. Next question is which country has suspended the participation in New START treaty on nuclear weapons pact with US? The answer is Russia. Next question is which country president visit to Ukraine is considered as high risk visit slip of the year? The answer is US President Joe Biden. Next question is which Pakistani film win more than 7 international awards? The answer is Gulabor Rani. Next question is China President preparing to visit Moscow for summit with. The answer is Putin. Next question is China rolls over 700 million loan to. The answer is Pakistan. Next question is a high-ranking delegation of Pakistan led by the Minister for Defense made a visit to Kabul on. The answer is 22 February 2023. Next question is Dubai holds Guinness World Records of the fastest police car. Police car name is Bugatti Veyron. Next question is according to the World Bank, successful implementations of policies in the Pakistan could create about 7.3 million new jobs for. The answer is woman. Next question is Qasem Malaysia has been appointed as the chairman board of governors of. The answer is Lahore Arts Council. Next question is world's largest sound system installed in Masjid Al Haram having more than 7,000 speakers. Next question Australia Philippines consider joint patrols in. The answer is South China Sea. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks.